How to set up WhatsApp business profile. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to set up your WhatsApp business profile, you then need to follow the steps. First thing first, you want to make sure to launch or install the WhatsApp business on your device. After which, you just want to make sure to open the app and make sure to allow, agree, and continue. After which, you will need to verify your phone number. So select the country of your resident. If you're switching from a personal account, you can migrate your chat history as well. And if you use a dedicated business line, you can note that one number cannot be linked to both the personal and the business app simultaneously as well. And if applicable, you could follow the prompt to restore your chat and backup as well. Then you could just go ahead and continue with all these steps, create your profile, business name, business category, public profile, all that. And this is how you're supposed to enable your WhatsApp business account. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.